Hey guys, yeah, so I'm updating the data source for the Power BI file because I moved it around. So the previous data source was this table, data for Power BI. If I try to refresh schema and data, it's broken because I moved stuff around. So I'm just going to do a get data Excel workbook. I select the file from the new location, and here it's the same file again. It's loading, and I renamed the tab, so I should be able to find it. It should say data clean, right? This is the new tab. There shouldn't be, it's just all the columns and rows, just everything that's needed. Okay, then I do a transform data so we can look at it. Nothing to transform really, everything is already as it is. Maybe this is change type to, well, it's already date, so that's fine. Just to inspect, I think all the data types are okay. So, okay, then yeah, everything should be okay. So I just close and apply. So it should come in as data clean. So everything here should be the same. I'm just going to go through each of these. Okay, so this particular one was count of call new date. Okay, so call new date, I need to move it here, and then I do count. So delete the first one. Yeah. Okay. Not count distinct, but count. That's the number of data points. Yeah. Then for months, I have to put the call new date here, and this time I put the second one, count distinct. So it should show 12 months. Remove the old one. Right. Then for continents, I should be the count of raw continents. So count raw continent, this one, bring it in as the second one. Then I delete away the first one. Then change the second one to count distinct. Okay. Then update the countries, raw country name. I bring it in here. Delete the first one, update to count distinct, so 67 countries. Okay, for the slicer, this is raw continent, move it in here, delete the first one. Okay, then this is data clean. Okay, the text box. Okay, so here there is a new measure that was created called column dynamic continent. I'm just going to copy the. I wonder if I can just drag it over. Probably not, because it's looking at a different. Okay, is looking at a different I wonder if I can copy over. No, okay, never mind. So I'm gonna create it basically in the new. So here, create new measure, and this is going to be, I just paste it here, but table is going to be data clean. Okay. Change all the tables to data clean basically, then it should be okay. I have to choose a different name. Oh, okay. So, well, column dynamic. This is okay. I'm gonna just call it column dynamic. Column new dynamic. Okay. Oh, mine take away the equal sign. Okay. So that's the new formula, and okay, so column new dynamic, that's the, then here when I click on this, it's going to be column new dynamic. Okay, column new dynamic, continue. Okay, auto completes, save. Okay, so that's updated. Here I have to update this one as well. So column new dynamic, continue. Okay, save. And this one I have to update this one as well. Delete and then say column new dynamic continent. Okay, save. Okay, so that's done for all the titles. Now I go into each of these and update all the fields. So raw volume. Okay, raw from the new table data clean. So raw volume, set it to average, remove the top one, set it to average. Okay, then for the graph, column raw average 12. Okay, remove the top one, average of column raw volume, average column raw volume. Remove the top one, change to average. Okay, then update the duration, average of column raw average 12. Okay, remove the top one, change to average. And second table, volume, new containers, excluding outliers. Okay, remove the top one, change it to average. Look at the chart. Pull in new day, column new days, excluding outliers. Remove the top. Okay, for the Y, column new containers, excluding outliers. Remove the top, change it to average. Okay, now update the Oh, this one should be days. Okay. Update to new days excluding outliers. Okay. Remove the top one, change the new one to average. Okay, so average volume would be right 4.58. Yeah, that makes sense. I think we have updated all the data. Now I'm going to delete the old table. Delete from model. And hopefully everything still works. Okay, let's click on Africa, click on Americas, click on Asia. Okay, everything seems to work. I'm just gonna click into each one to check. Mouse over, it says data clean. Mouse over, it says data clean. Mouse over, it's data clean. Everything is pointing to new data set. Okay, data clean. This is also the new column for data clean. Okay, so this one is also the new. Right, click on this, look at the data clean, data clean, data clean, data clean. Click on this, data clean, click on this, data clean, okay. Data clean, okay, all the data has been updated. So it's good. I will save this file. And done.